Hello YouTube, welcome to Gizmo Hub for technical support. But before that, hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification to get more such videos like this.
This will be a review video on MK345 wireless keyboard and mouse from Logitech. So let's begin the unboxing. Inside the box we have this mouse, which is a combination of black and blue. This has a piano black glossy finish in the border and the grip is matte finish. Actually the model of this mouse is M275 with a Logitech logo on top. So the mouse looks good. Now next we have this nano receiver. This will connect both the keyboards and your mouse. You have to connect this to any USB port of your computer or laptop. Then we have this keyboard. Which is made up of very good quality plastic. You will find some portion of it in glossy finish and the keys and the palm rest area in matte finish, which gives it a very premium look. The keys are very premium and they are very smooth to operate. Also it doesn't make much noise. In the lower right corner you will find a blue colored Logitech logo. This is a full-sized keyboard with numeric pad. You will find a button here to turn this keyboard on or off. This will save your battery consumption when not in use. Just beside that you will also get a caps lock indicator. You will also find other functionalities along with the function keys in a single press, such as play, pause, stop, forward, music, calculator, email, home or search buttons. Overall the build quality is okay and a nice choice if you are looking for a wireless keyboard. This keyboard requires two AAA batteries, which is provided with this box. So we have two Duracell batteries. Just need to insert these two batteries and we are good to go. Now for the mouse, we have a single AA battery, which is also from Duracell and is provided in the box. This battery comes with a 18-month battery life.
There is also a place to keep your nano receiver when not in use. Now let's connect with the PC and check how it works.
Friends, that's all for today. See you all in my next video.